Top 10 foods that contain poison documentary. Poison or a toxin is a substance that is capable of causing illness or even death. Some foods that we consume on daily basis contain natural toxins. These natural poisons can cause a variety of adverse health effects to both humans and livestock. Some of these poisons are extremely potent. Some of these toxins are found in plants and serve as a natural defense against predators, insects, or microorganisms. Adverse health effects can be acute poisoning, ranging from allergic reactions to severe stomach upset and diarrhea, and even death. Long-term health consequences include effects on the immune system, reproductive system, or nervous system, and also cancer. In a usual balanced healthy diet, the levels of natural toxins are well below the threshold of acute and chronic toxicity. So never assume that if a thing is natural, it is automatically safe. Throw away bruised, damaged, or discolored food, and in particular moldy foods. Throw away any food that does not smell or taste fresh or has an unusual taste. Only consume foods that have been identified as non-poisonous and safe. The poisons found in water-based foods are known as aquatic biotoxins. These are found in some kind of algae, fish, and oysters. And this poison is not destroyed when cooked. Cyanogenic glycosides is another type of poison, which is found in around 2000 plant species and many of the foods we consume today. Cassava, sorghum, stone fruits, bamboo roots, and almonds fall in this category. The toxicity depends on the concentration of cyanide in these foods. The acute cyanide symptoms include rapid respiration, drop in blood pressure, dizziness, headache, stomach pains, vomiting, diarrhea, mental confusion, twitching, and convulsions, followed by terminal coma and death. Furocomarins are poisons which are found in some foods like celery roots, citrus plants, and some other medicinal plants. These poisons are released in response to stress of the plant. Mycotoxins are produced by certain types of molds which grow on cereals, dried fruits, and nuts. Let's have a quick look on some common foods that contain poison. Number 1. Potatoes. Potato plant poisoning occurs when someone eats the green tubers or new sprouts of the potato plant. Solanine is a dangerous nerve toxin that is produced in any green part of the potato, that includes leaves, stems, or any other green part of the potato. In fact, the leaves from potato plant are high in glycoalkaloids, which is another deadly poison. So never eat potatoes that are spoiled or green below the skin. Always throw away the sprouts of the potato. Potatoes that are not green and do not have any sprouts or sprouts are removed are safe for consumption. Number 2. Bitter almonds. Sweet almonds may be safe to eat, but bitter almonds are not safe. The bitter almonds are wild almonds and contain 50 times more cyanide than sweet almonds. According to a study, eating 50 bitter almonds can be deadly. If you have been exposed to a small amount of cyanide, you may experience dizziness, headaches, nausea, vomiting, rapid breathing, and rapid heart rate. At number 3 is ackee. Ackee is a tropical fruit native to West Africa and is the national fruit of Jamaica. It contains toxins known as hypoglycin A and hypoglycin B. Hypoglycin A is found in both leaves and the arils, whereas hypoglycin B is only found in seeds. Both of these compounds cause ackee fruit toxicity, commonly known as Jamaican vomiting sickness. The illness starts within 2 to 12 hours of consuming unripe ackee or its pods or seeds. Symptoms include vomiting, loss of consciousness, and seizures. Without immediate supportive care, that can be fatal and result in death. Therefore, when eating ackee, one must wait until the fruit ripes with its protective pores turned red and open up naturally. At number 4 is rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb leaves contain a poison oxalic acid, which is very harmful for any human body. Rhubarb stalks are the only edible part which is used in many desserts or as an ingredient in many sweet dishes. And if you consume its leaves, then you may feel burning sensation in your mouth and throat as well as difficulty breathing. So be cautious while consuming rhubarb leaves. Just cut and discard its leaves and use only stalks. And at number 5 is castor beans. Castor beans contain ricin, which is one of the most deadly naturally occurring poison. I have seen livestock dying by eating it in the rural areas. And you need only 5 castor beans to kill an adult human. These beans are carefully processed by manufacturers to extract castor oil, which is used in many cosmetics, lotions, chocolates, candies, and other foods. Symptoms of ricin poisoning can occur up to 36 hours after ingestion, but usually within 2 to 4 hours. It is characterized by a burning sensation in the mouth, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy. Without medical intervention, death occurs within 5 days or so. And at number 6 is elderberries. Elderberries are very popular in making wines, medicinal teas, jams, and pies. These berries are also known for its poisonous content cyanide, which lies in elderberry leaves and stems. Green or uncooked elderberries contain a poisonous alkaloid. Therefore, if you want to eat elderberries, then make sure to choose only ripe or cooked elderberries. Cyanide in elderberries gets destroyed when cooked. Most fatalities come from the people who attempt to make tea from the leaves of this plant. So never drink elderberry tea unless you are sure how it was made. And at number 7 is tomatoes. Ripe or red tomatoes are safe to consume. But green or unripe tomatoes, tomato leaves or stems contain poisonous alkaloids known as tomatine and solanine. By ingesting these alkaloids in large quantities, you may suffer from severe illness or even death. They may cause gastrointestinal problems, liver or even heart damage. And at number 8 are cherries. Cherries are good for your health, but its pits, seeds, bark, and leaves contain cyanide, which is a poison as earlier mentioned. So never consume cherries' pits, seeds, bark, or leaves in large doses. It will increase heart rate, high blood pressure, difficulty in breathing, and kidney failure, convulsions, coma, and death from respiratory arrest. And at number 9 is red kidney beans. Red kidney beans contain a sugar-based glycoprotein called kidney bean lectin. If consumed raw or partially cooked, it can produce symptoms similar to those of food poisoning. As few as 4 to 5 kidney beans can produce poisoning symptoms within 1 to 3 hours. Symptoms include extreme nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. The lectin only gets destroyed when red kidney beans are cooked at high temperatures for right length of time. It is also important to soak the kidney beans in water for 12 hours before cooking. At number 10 is cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the common spices found in foods and drinks. It also has medicinal uses. Cinnamon contains a poison known as coumarin, which is very toxic to the liver and can cause severe damage to the liver. Those who take cinnamon on daily basis for diabetes or other health issues should switch to Ceylon cinnamon, which is low in coumarin than other types of cinnamon. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing to my channel and like and share this video with others. Thanks. Don't forget to check my other videos.